Everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox controller on over to your LG TV so you can play games. So the first thing we want to do is press Settings. And I have the Game Optimizer open up, so I'm going to go to All Settings right here. Then on the left side of the screen, go to General and select this. Then go to External Devices. Then under here, let's go to Connect Bluetooth Controller. Now on your Bluetooth controller for your Xbox, we need to turn it on. Now make sure this isn't connected to your Xbox, so you might have to unplug your Xbox from the wall. Then, once the controller's on, there's a sync button at the top. Just hold this down, and this will put the controller into the Bluetooth pairing mode. So you can see. Then go to your TV and press search. And there's my Xbox controller right here. Let's select it. And it's not connected yet. Looks like it's connected now. So we should be able to go up and down on the controller. You can see it's working. And then we can try connecting or pressing A on this, and it works. And we can go to disconnect or delete the controller right here. So if you're playing games on your TV with it, this is how you can easily connect it. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more checkout videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.